Hi, my name is Conor Fitzpatrick and I'm a PhD student here in Teagasc Moorpark. My research looks at digestion and how different foodstuffs can alter our digestive system. We know how the digestive system works, but as scientists, we always want to learn more. For example, at the moment we're studying new plant-based protein bars that are made of peas, rice and other plant-based materials. But since the area of plant-based proteins is quite new, we know very little about how these foods behave in the digestive system. In our lab, we have developed an experiment that mimics the digestive system. Using common lab equipment and chemicals, we can copy the chemical and physical reactions that take place in our digestive system, and in this way we can test a variety of foods. Today we're going to show you what happens to our plant-based protein bar during digestion in our digestion model. When we eat food, digestion starts immediately in our mouths by physical and chemical methods. We replicate this by using a grinder to mimic our teeth and by adding simulated salivary fluid, which includes enzymes to mimic our saliva. After this, food passes along the esophagus into the stomach. We call digestion that occurs in the stomach gastric digestion. Similar to the oral phase, food is digested by both physical and chemical digestion in the gastric phase. Physical digestion occurs in the stomach when the muscular walls churn the food in a process known as peristalsis. To mimic this in the lab, we use a stirrer which is attached to our overhead rotating device. Chemical digestion is a very important part of digestion in the stomach. We add acidic gastric fluid and enzymes such as pepsin which break down proteins into smaller parts or peptides. The gastric fluid and enzymes are added via two different tubes at a constant rate. We also measure the pH using a pH probe. Finally, food is moved to the intestinal phase, where even more fluid and enzymes are added. After 2 hours in the intestinal phase, food is now fully digested and is ready to be absorbed into the bloodstream.